What's up YouTube, Josh Bacon here, also known as JB the Car Fanatic. Now, in my what I got for my birthday video that I posted earlier, I showed you this Baylis Harding washing set, which I got as one of the presents for my 18th birthday yesterday. And now in this video, I'm going to unbox it for you. Right, so let's start the unboxing. Right. Its tag off, it was security protected. Oh, you stupid sticker. If only this would come off. There we go, it's coming off now, and it's off. So let's get the lid off. So let's get the lid off. Oh, you stupid lid. Oh, great. More tape, are you serious? You know what? I feel a jump cut coming on. Right, so I've got all the tape off. And now let's open the lid. See what's inside. Ooh. Put that somewhere safe. There we go. And just look at this. Inside we will find citrus, lime and mint aftershave balm. Very nice. There we go. Is citrus, lime and mint hair and body wash. Come on camera, focus. Focus camera, come on. Come on camera. There we go. So like I said, it's citrus, lime and mint hair and body wash. 7 cheveux éco. Which is 300mm or 10.1 fluid American fluid ounces. Yeah. Next up we have citrus, lime and mint shower gel. We have cleansing soap, also citrus, lime and mint, 7. 11 mint. Yep, there's a back. And last but not least, we have the all-important face cloth. So that is what's inside my wash kit. Is there anything else underneath? No, that's about it really. And now we shall put the lid back on. And that is the unboxing complete. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Please make sure to like, share and comment on this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. I shall see you in the next video, but until then, this is Josh Bacon, also known as JB the Car Fanatic, signing off. Peace!